No more nasty fake pizza bases from the shop. This is your new easy 3 minutes pizza. Well guys, I need you to help me to make this video go viral. So share it with everyone and help me to make it go viral. I can't really call it pizza because I support pizza chefs. I'm a very passionate pizza lover. But let me tell you, I've done this video just for you. No more pizza bases because they are terrible. Please respect professional pizza chefs because they put love into the dough like nobody else does, okay? This is not to offend pizza chefs. This is to make you stop buying pizza bases, the bad pizza bases from the shop. How do we replace your pizza bases? First, we need to get a nice artisan ciabatta bread. This beautiful ciabatta bread will cost less than pizza bases, and it's gonna be so much better than those fake pizza bases. Then we need some nice San Marzano peeled tomatoes, if you can. Otherwise, you can just use nice peeled tomatoes. You know, they come in a small can, 400 grams. We need some Pecorino Romano or Parmigiano Reggiano, please, and we're gonna grade on the spot. Buffalo Mozzarella, or you can use fior di latte mozzarella, but make sure it's fresh. Some nice fresh basil, and last but not least, salt and extra virgin olive oil. So first thing we want to do is we want to cut the ciabatta in half, okay? So here we go. Just cut this baby in half. Perfect. Instead of buying a pizza base done by a factory machine, you get this, made by humans. You press a little bit, okay? We just want to flatten a little bit, not too much. Now we leave it on the side and let's go and prepare the toppings. Here we have a beautiful San Marzano tomatoes. What we do is we put some salt, just a generous amount, and then what we do here, we are going to break the basil in there, just like that. And now we crush the tomato with our hands, okay? The reason why we crush with our hands is because the hands are gentle. If you use a blender or anything else, you're gonna ruin the flavors of the tomatoes. So just do this, feel the tomatoes, okay? You wanna crush, but you don't wanna destroy them, okay? You want to get the juice out, but when you eat the pizza, you do want the skin to be there, see? Look how beautiful it is. There's nothing wrong with canned peeled tomatoes, you know guys? If you get good quality ones, they're actually pretty good. Especially in winter time, when you can't find top quality tomatoes, what do? You get the canned tomatoes. Ah, it smells exactly like tomatoes. Real tomatoes for real people. Okay, now it's time to assemble, okay? So what we're gonna do, we start with the sauce, okay? So let's just put the sauce everywhere here. Be very generous because here we have holes on the ciabatta bread. So the sauce goes inside those holes. And let me tell you, it's a good thing. You know why it's good? Because when you bite it, you will have a surprise. My God, I can eat this the way it is already. I don't need to do anything else. The next step is to freshly grate the Parmigiano or Pecorino on top. Today I've got a 24 months beautiful Parmigiano Reggiano from Reggio Emilia, the real deal. And here it is. Now it's time for the fresh buffalo mozzarella, guys. Fresh buffalo mozzarella, which I'm gonna put on top of this yummy pizza, okay? Got plenty of cheese. Freshness. How do you go wrong with fresh ingredients? Now it's time for us to add the basil, just a little bit of extra basil. You don't have to. I just love basil so much, so I can't say no. Last but not least, we're gonna drizzle extra virgin olive oil. Oh yeah, beautiful. Wow, what a beautiful smell. Now, this ciabatta bread slash pizza it's going in the oven at the maximum temperature, okay? So if you're in your kitchen, you have a normal oven, which is the maximum 250 Celsius, you do that, 250 fan forced. If it's 220 Celsius, you do that, the maximum, fan forced, okay? We put them inside until the cheese melts. When the mozzarella and the Parmigiano melts, you take it out and you serve. Very easy. All right, yes, this is fan forced. See you soon, ciabatta bread, ciabatta pizza bread. And here we have it, the ciabatta slash pizza. Look how beautiful it is. Crunchy, full of flavors, huh? It just needs to be eaten. Eat me, please, eat me. Let's cut it and let's see if it's crunchy. And let's see how it is. Is it crunchy, you think? Ooh, it is crunchy, it is crunchy. You ready? Let's cut. Yum. Go 1, 2, yeah. Yum. Wow, wow, wow. Here it is, guys. Look at this pizza. Look at this margherita pizza. You can put any toppings that you like, but look at this. Look how simple, look how delicious. Huh? This is. Isn't this what you want when you want pizza? At least you have a nice crust here. See, you got enough bread in there, you know, to give you some nice flavors. Look at this beautiful, look at this. You got that, beautiful, it's like a semi-focaccia, right? Look at this. And then you got the crunchy side, you know? It's fantastic. Look how beautiful, look at that. Look at this beauty. Best time of the video recipe, time to eat. Look at this beautiful slice over here, look at that, listen to the crunch. The San Marzano tomato is into my nostril. The bread soaked the tomato and it's beautiful. Wow. What a beautiful creation. I am so smart, huh? All I need from you now is to make this go viral. This is the recipe we want to see going viral. This has to go viral on TikTok and everywhere else. I love it. Life-changing game. Wow, wow, wow. Thank you so much for watching this episode. I hope you enjoyed. I will see you in the next Vincenzo's Plate video recipe. E ora si mangia. Vincenzo's Plate.